Ever been given one of these at Christmas and thought, what do I make with this thing?
Honestly, no, but I bought this so you could tell me.
This is what you make with it. Christmas French toast.
Take my money.
Start with eggs, milk, brown sugar.
Eggs, shells, milk, brown sugar.
Oh no, cinnamon.
Oh yes, cinnamon.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Give it a whisk. Smells like Christmas.
Give it a whisk. Smells like Christmas.
Fresh berries, caster sugar.
Frozen berries, because we pour, especially at Christmas. Caster sugar, because that's the same price as normal sugar.
And we're gonna macerate, not masticate them, Mitchell.
I'm just gonna stir them.
Take your panettone, cut it right down the center.
Whoop. Take your panettone. I Google search how to pronounce that. Cut it down the middle.
Whoop. Don't forget to remove the paper, like I did.
I left my paper on to be funny and follow your video step by step.
Then we're gonna cut slices about 2 centimeters thick. Is that 2 centimeters?
2 centimeters, bro. That's 8 inches.
Let's whip some cream. A little bit of vanilla. Get fancy, it's Christmas.
Let's whip some cream. And I got fancy, this is not Coles brand.
Split down the middle, scrape the seeds with the back of your knife.
Scraping with the back of my knife.
A little bit of icing sugar, nice and softly whipped.
Icing sugar, and I actually gave this to my wife to beat because she's a little bit whipped.
Pan on medium high, some butter.
Pan on way too high, some butter. It's burning.
Give your eggs one last mix, in they go.
Give my eggs one last mix, and they go.
Time to plate. Toast on,
Toast on.
berries, and the cream.
Not gonna lie, this is like the best French toast I have ever had. And I should never let Adrienne, my wife, be the camera person ever again.
Say speedos. Like, how close did you want the shot?
Whatever's making me look good.
Okay. So just on your mouth?